Ready to capture attention in seconds? Join us as we dive into the secrets of creating engaging short-form videos on social media. Short-form videos, typically 15 to 60 seconds long, are perfect for today's fast-paced digital landscape. They keep viewers engaged and more likely to watch till the end. Start with a clear, concise message. What do you want your audience to know, feel, or do after watching your video? Keep it focused to ensure maximum impact. Begin by identifying the core idea you want to convey. This could be a key piece of information, an emotional response, or a specific action you want your viewers to take. Once you have this central message, build your content around it. Use engaging visuals, compelling narratives, and strong calls to action to reinforce your message. Remember, clarity and simplicity are your best friends in crafting a message that resonates and sticks with your audience. Use visually engaging elements like bright colors, quick cuts, and captivating graphics to grab attention right from the start. Craft a compelling hook. Your first few seconds should make the viewer want to stay for more. Ask a provocative question or show something surprising to pique interest. Think about what grabs your attention when you're scrolling through your feed. Is it a shocking statistic, a bold statement, or an intriguing visual? Use these elements to your advantage. The goal is to create an immediate connection with your audience. Make them curious, make them think, or make them laugh. Whatever you choose, ensure it resonates with your target audience. Remember, the first impression is crucial. If you can captivate them in those initial moments, they're more likely to stick around and engage with your content. Keep it short and sweet. The optimal length for maximum engagement is usually under 30 seconds. Test different durations to see what works best for your audience. Always end with a strong call to action. Encourage viewers to like, comment, follow, or share. Direct engagement helps boost your video's reach. Transform your social media strategy with these short-form video tips. Subscribe for more insights, and don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful. We're dedicated to bringing you the latest trends and techniques to elevate your online presence. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our newest content, ensuring you never miss out on valuable information. If you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends and colleagues to help them improve their social media game too. Your support means the world to us, and it motivates us to keep creating high-quality content just for you. Thanks for watching.